Yo, good morning. Right, so do they test liquidity? Look at how it's moving into this box again. That's on the daily, right? So we're watching the 77.41s to 76.41s. Okay, 4 hours broken down out of that channel. Do they sweep liquidity and bring it back in, or do they run it 7.657? All right, we moved down out of this spread here, the spread canal. So what we're watching. Oh, here comes the desk odds, everybody. Silly. Okay, we're at the low to low, low to low. Okay, look at that. Look at that. That's impressive. Look at that right there. We knew it was going to go there sometime, right? It was just a matter of time. That's why Joey calls this the crime scene. The convict always goes, the perpetrator always goes back to the scene of the crime at some point, right? So there we are. Look at that. Wide open. Shkabink on the 1 hour chisel. Let's go to the 45-minute. So much noise right here that we got to get out of it. We got to get out of it. Okay, we got a brand new crime scene up here. 7806. Excuse me. Morning.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No. Oh, I get. Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No. 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 Why won't you listen to me?
Oh, excuse me. All right, let's be patient here. We are outside the nearest range the last 7 days. We're at this pivotal point in the larger time frames where we need to kind of wait and see what happens.
Blue bar 2-minute chart. Pink bar 10 range chart.
I want to see what they do with this pink 15 because it's a little out of place here. I mean, look at that. And we're on the sidelines. I'll be right back.
Blue bar 2-minute chart.
Pink bar, 2-minute chart. Blue bar, 10 range chart.
Am I muted? If I'm muted, I'm so sorry, guys. I was just saying that I don't know if Dolly is a man or a woman, but I confirm that it is a Charlie Foxtrot. Look at it. Look at this 2-minute bar. Look at the 5-minute bar. Look at the delta. Look at them sell it off. Gabank. Doink. They sold it on the way up. Look, if you put these together, look at this.
Blue bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, 500 at 21s. Okay, we got red, white, green, blue. I'm short. Small. Small. 19751. There you go. There you go.
Order canceled.
Out. Perfect fucking trade. Look, everybody review. Delta's crushing. Even on the uptick, they're crushing it. Look, so that gives us the clue that they're selling to the bid. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for it to go red, white, green, execute. They completed business at our target. Look, we're not the only ones trading this. Look at this. Okay, and then they bought 742 on the offer. Davy Day Trader pothole at 29.7 Feezy. Okay, they bought 21.75 hard, 1,500 times. 1,500 times. 21.75. Okay, they bought 24s. Pothole at 27s. Okay, there's the 9.75s. There's the 9.75s. Watch your 33 through 35 major. Okay, they're going to fill these potholes. Here, I'll just pull this over here so you guys can see it. They're going to fill these potholes here. Okay, and you have a buy imbalance here. So you got a buyer here of 193 times. They might trap them. They might trap them. Let's wait and chill. Okay. This trade was perfect. Literally. 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 Martin, say literally to yourself. I'd tease Chris, but he's not here. Literally. Okay, watching the dubs. Watching the dubs right here. Uh-oh. Right with the Joey spread here. Shkabank, shkabank, shkabonk. I'm in no hurry. I actually went ahead of myself, took that short. I'm not supposed to trade for another 4 or 5 minutes. Ooh, the dog is about to bite her ass. Look at the tails. Look at the tails. The wicks, excuse me. Look at the wicks on the Unos Momentos Grafica. Look at it touch the crime scene and roll out. Look at this. Oh. Oh. Good. 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 Look how well the 15-minute didn't work.
Blue bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Nope,
Blue
didn't
bar,
work.
10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
$32.75. Okay, there's the crime scene. $32.75. Pop. Get ready to move your stop up. Okay, it's going to go right underneath that buy of 30. So we're going to go $29.75.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Bang. I got one left. I got one left for $36.25. $36.25 on the Unos Momentos Grafica. $36.25. Yep. $26.25 add with a $21.25 stop.
Order submitted.
Drunk driving on the avenue. Oh, is it actually picking it up? That's really weird, Elijah. Thank you. The Dane of Great is here. What's up, buddy? We're cracking him. I like the target if we get there, because look, it's just below that. Look at that. That's so weird that it's actually like picking up my breath. Okay, here's the crime scene. Can we get it? Okay, stops up, guys. Cancel
canceled.
ads. Stops up. Okay, stop to 30.25. Right below the imbalance. 30.25. We're crushing it now. Come on, sweetheart. Guys, tell me if the breathing, because I want it to sound perfect on my voice, and I know that if I go like this, it starts to get quiet. So, and I have the gain all the way down, so just let me know. All right, looks like we're going to come back and hit the target of 30, stop of 30.25. That's fine. We'll be super green after this. Come on, get up there to 6/4. Let's go. 6/4. 6/4. Go. Really? Just kidding. Okay, 0025's out. What a trade. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Good, 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 good. Okay. Now we chill, right? Careful here.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
It doesn't sound the same, Martin. Okay, we got 289 at 26.5. Watch 26.5. Half. Half of Weizen. G-Man stuck. Okay, we have a draw. Yeah. Perfect draw. That's why I didn't take the Pinkerton. Yesterday's dumb trade has been erased at this point. I'm back.
Pink bar, 5-minute chart.
8-point stops. I can't. Woo! Look at that failure. I guess we could call it, but not yet, right? It's this. Oh, right click in the middle. Right click in yeah, right click in the am I saying that right? Oh, I'm sorry. Right click on the offer or bid. Right click on the offer or bid. But it has to be single orders. Okay, so if you're creating this is very
1
important.
minute chart.
If you're creating an ATM bracket and you want 2 at each level, you have to do 1 1 1 1 1-1. Otherwise, you can't split them. You have to just put a bid or an offer in front of it. Oh my God, the dog's chewing her alive. Oh, this is beautiful. Here, I'll go to sim and I'll show you. Okay, so in the simulator, watch this. Okay, so full disclosure, I'm in the sim. Oh, you can't see it. Okay, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you. Okay, so if we go long,
Order filled.
okay, and we go long again,
Order
it's going to
submitted.
show. Okay,
Order
we have
filled.
3. Okay, see how I did them individually? You can right click and you can move them. Okay, but now I'm going to show you something. What you have
Order
to
filled.
do though is when you edit this, see how I have 1. This is how you have to do it. This makes it to where you can split every bid or offer apart. So let's say that you wanted to do 2, 2, 2, and 2. You would have to have 6 ones. Okay? Otherwise, you can't split them. Very, very bad fatal flaw of NinjaTrader execution. Yep, that's muy importante. Mucho, 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 muy importante. It's something that's not really shown in the Ninja documentation, we'll call it. No bids or offers. They took them. Okay, they took them at 26 instead of 25.75. So there's okay. This is what I see. This is my opinion. They were they were fake bidding here with a market if touched to print 26 right here. Okay. Muy importante, mucho, mucho, mucho importante right here. Mucho, 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 mucho.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, I'm in the simulator. That's okay. Full disclosure, I'm in the sim. I didn't. I was like, why is the bid and offer not, why is my profit and loss not changing? Oh, I'm in the sim. Okay, so this one's in the sim. I'm kind of glad it is. I'm along in the 1 minute at 30 with an
Pink
ad
bar,
at
10 range
23.50.
chart.
Okay, in the simulator, I'm not touching a freaking thing. I'm going to let it play through. I did not mean to trade this in the sim. No fill at 23.50.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
Order filled. Order submitted.
You're going to try to get this out at 25.50.
Order
Okay, out at
canceled.
25.50. One left. Still back to one left. Still back to one left. Look at this. Here we go. Here we go. Sim. Full disclosure, I messed up and put it in the simulator, but I am still taking the trade that I just showed you. Now, do I take these sim trades as serious as the real ones? Absolutely. Because if you don't, you're absolutely going to catch some bad habits that will smoke you like a pack of cigarettes. Now, I do see it turning. I do see it turning, right? But we'll see where it goes. We're at VAL. Full disclosure, this is a simulated trade by accident. Full disclosure, by accident. I'm not trying to act like I'm cool or anything like that. Do, 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 do. It looks drippy. It looks drippy. Isn't that the perfect time for it to bounce? Okay, 26 over under. Hard. 5 contracts. 6, 8, 30. Okay, pothole filled. Should I lower the mic just a little bit? Let me lower it just a little bit. There we go. Luke, I'm your father, Luke. It's like Darth Vader smoking cigarettes. Dad, you sound like shit. Dad. Okay, 158 at 20. Full trade, full disclosure. This is a accidental simulated trade. Accidental simulated trade.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Yep. If we get through this noise, right, there's nothing stopping it. Either direction. Up or DZ. Up or DZ. New spread. Do they create a huge sword by closing it under 23 and then rip it on people? Yep. Choppy chop, Bill. Choppy chop, 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 chop. Chop, eh? My sim stop is 17. I'm shooting for the stars though.
Blue bar, 10 range chart.
Wow, look at that. Now the target is 17 for T2. Look at this. Not that I would take this trade because we're at the lows, right? Can we get through this? Can we get through this?
Blue bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted.
Okay, I couldn't get the 2750s. I couldn't get the 2750s. Okay, canceling order. It's one
Order
tick from the
canceled.
target. 3050 T1. Okay, printed. High of 3050. 43 printed. You would have been filled. You would have been filled. $36.50 is my target in the simulator. Unfortunately, I'm in the simulator. I hate this. But you know what? Hey, I can't change it. I can't take it back. Like I said, stop with 17. I've got it all drawn out on the Unos Momentos Grafica. Here. Okay, 555 offered at 975 right here. Let's see how many of them they take or they push it away from it. Okay, 558 offered, 558 offered. Let's see how many they take on the buy stop. Okay, 1231, 1231. Okay, offer's gone, offer's gone. Yep, offer's gone.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, filled for 1 point of 2750. 2975 is your full target for the leg sweep. Full disclosure, I'm
Pink
still in the
bar,
sim.
2 minute chart.
Still in the sim. I got one left for
Order canceled.
3650. Big hole at 25s, 26s.
Yellow bar, 1 minute chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
No fill at 27.50.
Order canceled.
Didn't even print it. Unos Momentos Grafica didn't even print it. Look at that. It said, no. Okay, there's a huge gap. 25, 25 quarter, 26 quarter. Huge gap.
Order canceled.
Blue bar, 10 range chart.
$20.50 if you took the short. I was unsure because of this right here. I didn't know if this was green or white. Okay. But clearly 23 to 20 worked just fine.
Stop filled.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
They sold the 22s. Okay, if you took 2350, that was. I'm just not sure about this bar right here. Is why I didn't take it. I saw it. I was looking right. I was trying to get over into my Apex account. It looks like I'm going to be waiting. Did they draw right? Look at right there. Okay, Delta new low. They leaned into the bid on this pop, right into the
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
what? It said did that just say blue bar 10 range chart? No. No. No, it didn't. Martin, did you see that? Go back like 20 seconds in the stream and watch this. I swear it just said blue bar 10 range chart. Look at that trickery. Oh man. $3.15 at 28. $3.07 at 28. Wow. Look at your 1 minute. Wow. Look at that. Wow. All right, at 22 quarter, you have 286 by 0. 286 by 0. Holy shit. Okay, watching 2150 on the 10 range.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Pink bar, 2 minute chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
I'm muted. Again, of course, right? Yep. No. Stop is 24.75. You guys can see what I'm doing here. We got this huge 2-minute noise. Hopefully we can stay above it.
Target filled.
Bang! Ready? Everybody ready? $25.25. Stop. Get ready to move it up. Get ready to move it up. We'll go 27.75 here in just a second. 27.75. Okay, we're gonna push it. We're gonna push it to 28.75 if we get through 33. Sorry, 27.50. One more push. See, we all have targets up here. You see that? Northwest Traders like, yeah, this fucking guy's still muted. 2 years later, he's still muted. Okay, 28.75 if we get a push. We get through 33, 28.75. They're trying to unload on the VWAP. Let's see if they're successful or not. Remember when we used to short the VWAP thinking it was just where you're supposed to sell? Right? Selling a location instead of context. Come on, push. Get through this 150. Get through this 150. Come on. It's curtains if you get through the 150 on the 10-minute or the 10 range Grafica. $31.50 over under.
Stop filled.
Flat. Beautiful. 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 They just took me on the lows. You fuckers. You rat bastards. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right. Great trade, everybody. Let's freaking go. I am up heaps. I'm done. That's why I moved my stop up. That 31.50 was balls. Whoa. All right, questions before I get up out of here. They got me. I should have kept my stop a little lower, but at the same time, like, why? All right. All right. Any questions before I get up out of here? This has been a very, very beautiful reclaim day. What did you do right today? Okay. I didn't move my stops. Bruce, remember, Bruce can ask any question that he chooses. Any question. Now, if it's an inappropriate question, he might not get the answer. Great question. Great question. What did I do right? Let me go one more than that, Bill. Bruce, excuse me, Bruce and Bill. I waited for red, white, green paint. Red, white, red paint. Green, white, red paint. Green, white, green paint. Right. So let me give you a perfect example. This is white. This is red, white, blue, white, blue. So I didn't take this short. Okay, but when we have red, white, green, I'm definitely taking this one. I just don't think I got filled. Nope. Nope. But I did get filled at 25.50. Okay, good. Hey, those are great questions. Talk to me. What is the best setup I took today? I'm so glad you asked. Look, I got stopped at 17 at the lows on the simulator. Look at that. The best trade of the day? That's a great question. That is all of the trades. Actually, let me show you this short. Okay. What? I'm trying to think of what I took. Okay, right here. Okay. This was pretty freaking sweet. Okay, red, white, paint, white, green, and we have nothing in between. So a perfect short here. Best trade. I didn't take this one right here. Best long I didn't take right here. Great questions, guys. What I was really working on was getting the first entry. Let me. Is it on the 2 minute? Well, this is a great entry here. 31.75.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Last trade.
Order submitted.
$36. We have most of it, Great Dane. Everything but the paint. We've got the green, white, red, white, green. That's Eller's. Now we're at the high to high trend line here,
Order
so
submitted.
this may reverse.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Ooh, they're going to break through the bottom of this, or they're going to hold it right here. Decision. $27 major over under as they were just churning price up there. Look at it keep touching. Boom, 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 boom.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, let's see what it does with this spread here. Either they hit it and go down, or they hit it and go right up.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
This is not a sell to me because it's not the first paint inside the screen. I will not be taking it.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
This is the perfect place for
Order
a trap.
canceled.
Right friggin' here. Not saying it's going to. Do 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 do. Decision. 24.50. Ooh, they bought right through it. Let's see if it holds it. Instant turnaround into the spread here. Look at this spread just holding, and the low to low and the spread holding right here. What do they do with it? All right, 23.75 over under now based on volume, VPOCs.
Pink bar, 2-minute
Here it
chart.
comes.
Order canceled.
Watch your delta. Okay, I
Order
got
canceled.
stopped out and I re-entered. Okay, 23.50 was my stop and I re-entered. Okay, that's what you hear all those orders for. Can we get through the noise? Can I get 28.50 and 36s still? $8.50, $8.50, $8.50. There's a pothole at 28.25. They're really temperate with it. Okay, there's a buyer. There's a buyer. Let's see if they snuff him. Got a lot of volume right here at 27 court.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Okay, watching 23.25 as it's the prior swing, excuse me, prior low to low.
Pink bar, 2-minute chart.
Order submitted.
Yeah. Yeah, I shouldn't have taken this last trade. Small draw. Well, I'm not red yet, but small drawdown. 77.1950 here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Watching 17 to see if they just go straight through it or if they pop it. We have divergence on the delta, which I don't know which way it's going to go. I'm just watching. They're trying to lean. Are they successful? Let's watch. What I'm watching, not acting upon, is what do they do with this delta here, right? I'm not acting upon it. I'm just watching it right here. Just watching it, not acting upon it. One 132 at 950. Okay, taken. They own them. A lot of tape at 950. A lot of tape at 950. Let's see what they do with 950. Over under. Can we get 2050?
Order
Yes, we
canceled.
can.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Little scalp, 17, 17, 18. One little scalp, 16 target. They sold the delta. Yeah, they're dropping it. No more trades for me. All right, everybody. I'm going to end lightly green. I'll see everybody tomorrow morning. We're going to kick some butt. Let's see what they do with these levels down here. I have no idea, but I'm out. I'll see everybody. I'll see everybody tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. YouTube. Thanks.